With its own manufacturing facility, Traxdor Cape manufactures new generation tamper-proof and intelligent security door and window products. In screen door, trellis door and shutter door designs. Transparent window bars is another popular product venture manufactured by Traxdor. The flagship product range, Legion Guard Trellis Security Gates, was engineered and patented by the company. It is with this forward-thinking, manufacturing backbone that Traxdor Cape develops the structural, mechanical and electronic features of their products. As a result, they stay ahead of the consumer demand for quality and functional security products for doors and windows. Traxdor Cape, employing multi-guards in every product, using the latest structural, mechanical and electronic technology. Tamper-proof and anti-lift. Silent and secure. Level without fail. Strong, with triple cross, woven stainless steel or rod skeleton. Surface protection and corrosion resistant.